My name is Benoit Serratrice. I'm part of the Tanzu Customer Zero team, and I'm here today to talk about our lab, Tanzu Application Platform for developers. As a developer, you'll be able to use Tanzu Application Platform to get started quickly with our application accelerator. Doesn't matter if you develop in Golang, in Python, in Java, we have application accelerator for all that language. And after you get started, you'll be able to very easily push your application to a production platform with only few clicks and only very few knowledge of the platform itself. So you'll be able to deploy your application very quickly following your company standards. On top of getting started quickly, you'll be able to consume services directly from Tanzu Application Platform, such as database or message queue service. I think any developer can just have a look at the lab to see how they can use our product to improve their day-to-day job. Tanzu Application Platform, the product itself is being updated every quarter, and with our lab we try to follow that as best as we can, so we'll try to update our lab every quarter. If you find that deploying your application take a long time, is cumbersome, come to see us take our Tanzu Application Platform lab, and you'll discover how this product can help you improve your process on a day-to-day basis.